If you've got a fraction and you want a decimal or a percentage, or you've got a decimal and you want a percentage or a fraction, or you've got a percentage and you want a decimal or fraction, today's the video for you. What are the upsides and downsides of fractions, decimals and percentages? Fractions are exact, and multiplying and dividing are much easier with fractions. But unfortunately they're harder to compare and harder to add and subtract. That's because you need the denominators to be the same. Decimals, however, are easier to compare and easier to add and subtract. But they are much harder to multiply and divide and are not exact because with decimals you often have to round. Percentages are easy to convert and compare and easier to understand. In newspapers, you're way more likely to get percentages than fractions and decimals. But they are harder for all the operations. Let's have a look at these questions. In this question, we need to convert 0.65 into a percentage and a fraction. To convert a decimal into a percentage, we multiply it by 100. To convert a decimal into a fraction, we put the decimal into a place value table. The last digit is the hundredths column, so we can put all the digits over 100. To convert a fraction to a decimal, we divide the top number by the bottom number. We could use the bus stop method. To convert to a percentage, we then multiply that decimal by 100. We could have converted the fraction to make the denominator 100, then the numerator would become our percentage. Ascending means going up, like a plane ascends into the sky. We're therefore looking at writing these numbers in order starting from the smallest. We first of all need to convert the numbers into the same type. Percentages and decimals are both easy to compare, and we're going to pick percentages. To convert a fraction into a percentage, we need the denominator to be 100. We can times 5 by 20 to make 100, 3 times 20 is 60. The numerator 60 is therefore our percentage when the denominator is 100. To convert a decimal into a percentage, we can multiply it by 100. We can now order the percentages easily. We must remember though to put our answer into the original fraction, decimal and percentage though. Let's finish with this. Dawn converts 0.7 to a percentage and gets the answer of 7%. Find the mistake Dawn has made. If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can also come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description where you can access all of our GCSE papers and predictions for free, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.